What's the meaning of crispy? Crispy. Crispy.
Crispy. Crispy. Crispy refers to a texture or sensation that is achieved by cooking food at high heat until it becomes dry and brittle. This can be accomplished through various methods such as frying, baking, or toasting. When something is crispy, it typically has a crunchy exterior and a light, airy interior. The texture may also be described as flaky, brittle, or crunchy. Popular examples of foods that are commonly described as crispy include fried chicken, French fries, and crispy pork belly.